The moon enters the sign of Gemini Friday, July 14th. Let's talk about it. So to start off, the moon is going to be sextiling the North Node in Aries. By the way, who's excited for the nodal shift? Yay! But anyways, it's going to be sextiling the North Node in Aries. This is the opportunity to connect to the path ahead, our destiny, or where we're going. It's going to be trining the South Node. So this is the gift of letting go, emotionally being able to detach from something. Or let something go, some sort of attachment. Something to air sign, probably some intellectual property or some idea or some concept that we was so attached to for a while. Might be able to let that go. We're also going to have the moon square Saturn and Pisces as well. So this is the challenge to stay on task, the challenge to stay emotionally connected to our responsibilities, or to put the challenge to put our emotions aside to do what we need to do. Like Moon and Gemini, we feel like socializing, but Saturn and Pisces is like, you need to be planning right now. You need to be in a drawing board right now. You need to be daydreaming and putting together, a destination, because we have the opportunity with the North Node, okay? The moon is also going to square Mars and Leo. This is the challenge to stay motivated. This square could actually be a good thing though, because with Mars being in Virgo, that means that we worrying a lot more than usual. So like with the square, it could be like it's a challenge for us to be worried right now. Like we're not worrying as much as we were at first. Does that make sense? The moon is also going to make a sextile to Mercury. This is the opportunity to connect to the thoughts that we're having and the conversations that we're having as well. We might be able to emotionally connect to the conversations we're having, or we might be having ideas popping up into our head that we could really water, we could really connect to these ideas and grow them and nurture them. The moon is going to make a sextile to Venus. This is the opportunity to connect to fun, pleasure, and enjoyment. The moon is also going to make a square to Neptune as well. So this is going to be the challenge to connect to the dream or the delusion. So if you've been in a delusion, this is a good thing for you. That means you're breaking out of the delusion right now and you're going to be seeing the reality. If you've been in a dream, then you're going to be having trouble connecting to the dream. Really vibing and you're gonna have trouble connecting to your dream. But if you have a dream and it's not a delusion, then you're gonna have trouble connecting to this dream. But don't let that deter you or discourage you for still going for this dream. The transits are always moving. Our mood is always changing. The moon is always changing. So yeah.